Okay, so there was this creepy light in the sky, and it was doing like circles around the house. Can I have the pillow, please? Thank you. And so we were thinking that it might be some aliens, that are coming here to kill us. And then, of course, my bright idea is to bakak at the thing, and I go bakak! Ow! And I bakaked at it. And now,
Julian.
and okay. And now it's doing circles above the house.
She made it come
Stop
after
laughing!
us.
I'm being completely serious. It's like coming after us. Like, hey, what was that noise?
No, you don't.
Probably some demented human being that I'm going to eat now and roast and stick things up their butthole. I don't know, but now I know this thing is following me and it's coming after me.
Last video of her life. It's going straight towards the house.
Oh my god,